Reggie, I hear you're quite the man about town.
I'm Rosh, by the way. What's your name?
Name's Borjoyce, lad.
Aren't you excited? We're going to be Jedi! Learning the ways of the Force, building a lightsaber. It's beyond anything you've ever imagined.
Aye. Yes, of course.
I can't wait to begin my training. That would be so great!
Don't cross me, son!
I'm sorry, I can't help it. I want to make a good impression.
Ah, shut it!
Huh? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to offend you.
Fresh exploding taters. I've been growing them since yesterday.
Hey,
Maybe I could come along on your trip. What you say, Reg? Is it far from here? But I'm gonna need help. Do you lads mind helping me rescue Timmy?
Do you realize how much power there is in the dark side? Kyle was holding us back, Jaden. You should feel the power.
Name's Borjoyce, lad. No, that's not Timmy. He'll be prettier than that.
I'll show you!